In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable the Windows Copilot "Hey Copilot" voice command. This will be a quick and straightforward process designed to help you regain more control over when and how you interact with Windows Copilot. By following these steps, you can ensure that the voice command isn't accidentally triggered, which can be quite beneficial, especially if you find it activating at inconvenient times. First, we need to open Copilot. If you're not familiar with it, Copilot is essentially your digital assistant on Windows, a tool designed to help you multitask and complete various tasks more efficiently. To begin, locate the Copilot icon on your taskbar. It might resemble a small headset or a circle, and it's generally located near the system clock in the lower right corner of your screen. Click on the icon to open Copilot. Once you've got the Copilot window open, we're ready to move on to the next step. Now, with Copilot open, we're going to access the sidebar. The sidebar functions as a navigation hub within Copilot, making it easy for you to manage settings and features. Look to the left of the Copilot window, and you should see a vertical strip displaying different options. If it isn't visible right away, you might need to hover your mouse over the left-hand part of the window for the sidebar to appear. Once visible, this sidebar is your gateway to deeper customization of your Copilot experience. Next, we're going to navigate to the settings through your profile. In the sidebar, find your profile icon. It typically looks like a little silhouette or a profile photo if you've set one, and click on it. From there, look for an option labeled Settings. This is where you'll find a wide array of preferences related to your Copilot's behavior and functionalities. Selecting Settings will open up a menu where you can tweak these options. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down to find the section labeled Voice Mode. This category controls how Copilot interacts with voice commands. Take your time scrolling. It's easy to miss if you're moving too quickly. The Voice Mode section is crucial because this is where you can turn on or off features related to voice activation and control. Finally, we're now ready to toggle off the Hey Copilot voice command. Within the Voice Mode section, you should see a switch or a toggle next to Hey Copilot voice command, which enables or disables the feature. If the toggle is highlighted or turned on, click it once to switch it off. This will deactivate the voice command feature, ensuring that Copilot is no longer listening for the Hey Copilot wake phrase. And there you have it. You've successfully disabled the Hey Copilot voice command. Now, your Copilot will be a little less chatty, engaging only when you choose to interact with it directly. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more helpful tips and tutorials.